this video, I'm going to show you how I made this knife completely by hand, and I'm also giving it away. Enjoy! If you are interested in learning more about how to make this knife, I just made an ebook jam-packed with all the information I can think of. We go over forge welding tips and tricks, the most common mistakes and how to avoid them, how to laminate edge steel for knives, and a super detailed step-by-step guide on how to forge this knife. It's available right now for all of my patrons and all of my YouTube members. And it's also available to purchase on my website if that's more up your alley. So please check it out, there's links in the description. This is a great way to support what I do here, making all of these videos for everyone to see for free. Thank you for considering, and let's get back to the video. Alright, so we now have a successful forge weld and we're just about to start forging the knife shape. However, we do have iron in the front here, so we're actually going to cut off a piece of the front to expose the steel, so let's do that first. Whee! Alright, so I'm done with the forging process and it's now time to clean it up and get it ready for heat treatment. Now, I did sneak in a little bit of cleanup before we did the actual handle, so there's not that much cleanup that needs to be done. However, we do have to establish a rough edge. And since I want to keep this as beginner friendly as possible, I'm going to use files to do that. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So in today's video, I made this blacksmith knife and I'm also giving it away. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave a comment and I will pick one out at random that will receive this knife. As always, make sure to read the pinned comment. All the information about the giveaway is in the pinned comment, when it ends, how a winner will be announced, and everything is in the pinned comment. Alright, so the blacksmith's knife, a super great project for the beginner, a super fun project, and especially compelling, I think, for the beginner to try out, because it has, you know, even though making bottle openers and hooks are great projects, there's just something special about making a knife, I think. And in this case, you almost get the best of both worlds. You get to forge a blade and practice all of those things, but you also get some of that, you know, more classic blacksmithy things with drawing out and bending and decorating and stuff like that. It's a great beginner's project and something that I really hope that you try out and really practice, because I really think this is a project that can help you develop in so many different ways at the same time. So I really hope that you're inspired to try it out, and I also really hope that you will check out my ebook on this knife. It would really mean a lot. So thank you to everyone who supports what I do on Patreon and YouTube members. Like I mentioned earlier, the ebook is already available for you guys to download. So thank you so much for supporting what I do, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.